Review naman tayo sa syllogism kasi magbibigay kayo ng conclusion. Here is an example. People who eat too many sweets can have diabetes later in life. Maria eats 2 candy bars a day and cakes and pastries during weekends. Conclusion. Choices. A. Maria may have diabetes one day. B. Maria may not have diabetes one day. Letter C. Maria was born with a predisposition to sweets. D. Other things besides sweets can cause diabetes. E. Some people are born predisposed with sweets. Bago natin piliin ang tamang sagot, mag-review muna tayo ng syllogism na isang forma ng pagbigay ng rason na tayo ay mag-draw ng conclusion from the major premise and minor premise. Example, major premise, reviewees who focus on reviewing have passed the board examination. Minor premise, Lisbeth Faye focuses on her self-review for the board examination. Conclusion, therefore, Lisbeth Faye has passed in her board examination. So yun ang valid na conclusion na drino natin from the major and minor premises. So doon sa binigay sa inyo na situation, letter A ang sagot, Maria may have diabetes one day.